5 to 15 miles.
Nobody is tested yet.
90%. And now the extended forecast. Friday night, showers likely. Saturday, cloudy. A chance of rain and snow in the morning, then a chance of rain in the afternoon. This is a test of the sunny of the emergency alert precipitation 50% during potentially dangerous weather situations. Maddie, then becoming cloudy, activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards in south central Indiana and north central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every highs are the wind south. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day. And Tuesday, this broadcast originates the church in 62.475 megahertz. This broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the the winds are Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. North Central Kentucky, Lewis, Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, Trimble. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. At Bowling Green Fair, irregular programming. Once again at 11 a.m. at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport, it was 40 degrees under fair skies. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. High pressure for the south will provide weather and increasing sunshine today. Low pressure traveling from the southwest will bring rain Thursday and Friday. Snow may mix in on This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIH 42 Covington, Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Pilot. Carroll, snow showers, Grant. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KZZ, 48 Olenton, Kentucky, public warning system. During 42 Covington situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. 5 to 15 miles of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ, 48 Allentown, Kentucky. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour.